the ultimate guide to customer success managers, your secret weapon for business domination. Imagine this. You've just invested in a powerful new software that promises to revolutionize your workflow. You're excited, but a nagging voice whispers, "What if I can't figure it out?" Enter the Customer Success Manager, CSM, your unsung hero in the battle for business mastery. But CSMs are far more than just tech support ninjas. They're the secret weapon that propels you towards success, leaving frustration in the dust. Forget the frustration. Embrace the success rocket. Let's face it, diving into a new product can feel like piloting a spaceship through an asteroid field. Features abound, buttons flash, and the manual reads like a foreign language. Before you get sucked into a black hole of confusion, a CSM swoops in, offering a steady hand and a clear path to victory. They speak your language, not tech jargon. Unlike robots programmed with generic responses, CSMs are human experts who understand your specific needs. They translate the complexities of your chosen product into actionable steps, ensuring you don't get lost in the labyrinth of technical jargon. Proactive problem solving, a shield against obstacles. The best defense is a good offense. CSMs are masters of anticipating potential roadblocks. They proactively identify challenges before they trip you up, offering solutions that keep you moving forward at warp speed. Think of them as your personal Gandalf, guiding you through the treacherous paths of software exploration. More than support, they're your success partner. A CSM isn't just there to answer questions when the smoke alarm goes off. They're invested in your long-term success. They'll work with you to define your goals, then craft a personalized roadmap that leverages the product's full potential. They become your trusted advisor, celebrating your victories and strategizing for even greater wins. Unlocking the hidden potential. Think of your chosen product as a treasure chest overflowing with valuable tools. A CSM acts as the key master, revealing hidden functionalities and demonstrating strategies to maximize your return on investment. They'll help you unearth gems you may have overlooked, turning a simple tool into a powerful business accelerator. A constant source of inspiration and advocacy. The journey to success isn't always smooth sailing. There will be moments of doubt and frustration. But a CSM is your unwavering cheerleader, offering encouragement and inspiration to keep you pushing forward. They become your advocate within the company, ensuring your voice is heard and your needs are met. The ripple effect of customer success. The impact of a dedicated CSM extends far beyond your individual experience. Satisfied customers become loyal brand champions, spreading positive word of mouth and fueling your company's growth. By fostering a culture of customer success, CSMs create a win-win scenario for everyone involved. None sting in a CSM, a catalyst for growth. Think of a CSM as an investment, not an expense. Their expertise can save you countless hours of frustration, accelerate your learning curve, and unlock the full potential of your chosen product. They become your secret weapon, driving measurable results and propelling your business towards its ultimate destination, success. Ready to launch your customer success journey? Don't settle for a mediocre experience. Partner with a CSM and unlock the true power of your chosen product. Let them become your trusted guide, problem solver, and success advocate. With a CSM by your side, you'll be well on your way to dominating your market and achieving your entrepreneurial dreams. This is your call to action. Seek out a CSM today and ignite the rocket ship to your ultimate success. Remember, the only limit is your imagination, and a CSM is there to help you reach for the stars.